Good evening, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about how to calculate Mr. Anil Ambani's future. For so long, I have been saying about my top astrology concepts. Probably viewers would not have understood what I am saying. Now I have decided to explain the concepts of top astrology by taking Mr. Anil Ambani's horoscope as an example. His property net worth in 2007 was 4 lakh crores. In 2020, it was reduced to 2000 crores, a major crash. Let us see how it had occurred. This is the Hora chart of Mr. Anil Ambani. Uh, this is divisional chart 2. It controls the wealth and money of one person, any person. Hora chart. From this, we will see the rise and fall of Mr. Anil Ambani. See here, by birth I had given 3 planets. Step by step, we will see all other planets and the effects of it. Just to start with, we will see these 3 planets. You see here, Jupiter is at Aries, Sun and Saturn is at Pisces. His Jupiter Dasa runs from 1995 to 2015. You see here, the Sun at Pisces aspects at the Jupiter at Aries. As Sun is exalted in Aries, it gives yoga for him. That means during Jupiter Dasa, he had accumulated a lot of wealth due to the aspect of the Sun. That is how he accumulated wealth. This is the way of looking at his past. Now let's see the 3 planets. Now see Sun and Saturn. You see his Saturn's Dasa runs from 2015 to 2034. So in this zone only he had started to fall. How? You see here we see the Saturn at Pisces aspecting the same Jupiter at Aries. Earlier by the aspect of Sun, a good yoga created, he accumulated a lot of wealth. And now due to the bad aspect of Saturn, the accumulated wealth is being destroyed. That is how he was made to lose his massive wealth. This is the present. You see here, from Saturn Dasa runs from 2015 to 2034. His fall had started just around this 2015, but now he is rising. I have earlier predicted it in separate videos. How this occurs, how he again started to gain wealth. See, business is different, wealth and money is different. Business is governed by another division chart called the Samsa D10. We are not looking at it right now. We are looking at his wealth and money horoscope D2. You see here, from 2015, though he started to fall, in the recent past he had started to rise. Let us see how it occurred. You see here, now I add 2 more planets. Mars at Capricorn and Ketu at Aquarius. You see, the Saturn at Pisces From Pisces, it is aspecting at Jupiter and destroyed the massive wealth created earlier. At the same time, it creates him new wealth here through the aspect by aspecting the Ketu at Aquarius and Mars at Capricorn. You see, at Aquarius, Ketu is at inimical status. At Mars, at Capricorn, Mars at Capricorn is at exalted status. This creates the Virit Raja Yoga during 2027-28. Now, the answer for this recent rise is it occurred because of these two things, the Saturn's aspect of Ketu and Mars. So, though earlier wealth is destroyed, he had started to build new wealth. See, not only that, see, through first, through the aspect of Saturn, we have seen his past, and through the aspect of Saturn, we have seen his present, and through the Saturn's Ketu and Mars aspect, we are looking at his future. You see, his past, his present, and his future all can be viewed by just simply fixing the concerned divisional chart. This is the summary of what we have told so far. From in Jupiter Dasa, he had gained wealth, and in Saturn Dasa, he had lost his wealth. I have told that during Saturn Dasa Ketu Bhukti, it does benefit for him. Uh, What is the benefit? How to calculate? That we will see. See, during Jupiter Dasa Ketu Bhukti, which runs during 2006-7, it caused a bad yoga, causing friction between Ambani brothers. Now, today, because due to the Saturn's aspect on Ketu, that bad yoga is rectified. This occurs during 2021-22. Only during this zone, Mr. Mukesh Ambani is buying Reliance Power. The earlier friction is rectified. It is called earlier it is called as dosham, and now it is dosha nivarti. See, this is Mr. Anil Ambani's future, the bright part of his future, which comes in 2027-28 during his Saturn Dasa Mars Bhukti. I have calculated that it is a profit from Rafael Deal. It can be known, as I always used to say, it can be calculated using the TAP equation. Past is equal to future. Again, I reiterate, future occurs in the past. Just by using the TAP equation, past is equal to future, the mystery of future can be broken. Now we can understand that you can see Mr. Anil Ambani's past, present and future by simply fixing the right divisional chart. The mystery of future can be revealed. The tough thing is fixing of this correct divisional chart. Have tried many methods, variations suggested by many astrology scholars. Nothing gave me a good results. Finally, I had decided to construct the divisional charts using reverse astrology technique. Top lesson, reverse astrology. General astrology is reading and predicting the events from the given horoscope. Reverse astrology is fixing the horoscope based on the events in the life of the subject. That is why top astrology requires the past life data of the subject. Only from the past data, divisional charts are constructed. Based on that past events, future predictions are made. In the next part of this video, I will tell you more about how to calculate Mr. Anil Ambani's future using top astrology techniques. Thank you.